Hi, good evening, viewers. Yeah, once again, myself Rajesh Yergedla from channel Rajesh Yergedla. I am in front of you today. So, I keep on bringing some important things to your notice. I try to keep you updated. So, today, the topic what I have with me is a very important topic. See, viewers, it's a very serious thing. Our father, our grandfather, a family member, or anyone, and those who are working out, those who do jobs, those who work in foreign countries. Okay, so everyone does hard work to earn money. Before I come to my topic, why I am giving this information is so that those children who don't care their parents, who don't listen to their parents, they should understand that the value of money is very important. What is the real value of money? When they will come to know, the time will be time when they will come to into a crisis position. When they are in crisis, they will automatically come to know the real value of the money. So today, as my mother father has given me what do you say, how they have brought me up, they have given me a culture, they have taught me, they have given every possible thing what can do. See, being from a middle class family, today I am proud of my family. Okay, so we were talking about some money. The topic was money, and I would like to add something more. If I add the word scam, here I am talking about money. At the same time, I am talking about what? Scam. Does this match somewhere? See, it is very much familiar to all now. Scams. Okay. Scams means what? Actually, frauds. Okay. So, I am today talking about the frauds what are going on in the market today's life. Okay, in the at the starting of the video I told that our family members, our relatives, say our brother, mother, those who are working out, those who are working and earning money for the livelihood for our family, they do so much hard work and they bring money to house. They bring the money so that we can live a good life. Okay, so and this scam, this fraud word today is used in at a very high rate, high range they are. Okay, see, the time is what the country is facing lots of crisis today. Okay, in this pandemic situation, people are working from home. Those who were not having any work, uh, they were suffering a lot. I will not explain in detail what happened to those people or what is happening now, but I will talk. I would like to tell you about scams and frauds. Dear viewers, be careful. Please be careful of these online scammers. Okay, एवरी डे रोज एक नहीं तो दो कोई ना कोई फ़ोन करता है. एनी बडी समवन विल कॉल यू एंड दे विल से दैट you are getting loan. Okay, we are offering you job. Okay, your resume has been shortlisted. Okay, see, this has happened with me. I have all the proof. Okay, I have all the proof. I will also tell the company name. Okay, I got a call. I got a call from Maruti Suzuki. They said Maruti Suzuki, but they were fake people. They were fraud people. Okay, Maruti Suzuki is a reputed company. The call, the call what I received, they called me. See, I'm calling from HR department from Maruti Suzuki. Then what they did? Okay, so I asked them, how did you come to me? How did you come to know about me? The lady at the other end who was speaking, who was talking to me, said that we are HR, we saw your resume on internet and you have been shortlisted and you will be having a telephonic interview. See, online fraud, those people who make online, who do this kind of crime, no, they are very intelligent, they are a team. Okay, they are a team, they are completely prepared, they know how to fool people. So my dear viewers, whatever we have earned, whatever our family members are earned for our livelihood, it is our responsibility to keep it safely so that our future can be safe. Okay, here what happened, I will continue with the case what I faced. What she said, that today we have gone through your resume, so we were just taking the introduction about you. Next day you will be having a interview. So I asked them where I said. The answer was online, she said. Okay, so when she said online, I said okay, it might be a video call, video conference. So this is a pandemic situation, so definitely people are afraid to meet, get or come to a single place and meet, sit together, or have a coffee or discuss something. There might be an video conference, I thought. My thinking was it. But the answer was, she said, you will get a telephonic call. They will call you. They will call you, they will give you a whole information. And the information was what? They told me that I have been selected after the interview. The next HR department, she said that you have been selected and you have been selected for a senior supervisor position. My designation, as per today, I am working as a private school teacher. Schools are closed and I have any real estate experience. I have worked with construction company, and this lady, she is recruiting me as a senior supervisor at Maruti Suzuki showroom, that to my nearest location. My nearest location, and on directly on telephone. She said, she told me that you are appointed, you are selected, and what is the next step? I said, madam, what next to do? What will be my salary? She told, you will be getting around 25,000 rupees monthly. You will get a pickup and drop facility. And every facilities what an employee at the company will get, you will be getting, you will be receiving all the benefits, she said. I said everything is okay. I was happy. I accepted, and then she said, previous day also she said that I have to pay them some amount. Now see how sharp these people are. See how sharp these people are. Okay, they will, what they will do, like how we put some what do you say, nuts to the birds, so that the birds will come and we will trap. So they show you some nuts and they will trap you. Okay. So yeah, so I was talking about the case what I faced. So I gave some information. There was some disturbance or because of phone. The video I paused. So I would like to share more information about them. So next day, the first day they collected the my profile and all everything, and next day what they did, that HR round you have cleared the telephonic round, and I was given a post of senior supervisor, and they said that I will be getting a salary of 25,000 monthly, and that to be my nearest location, which is hardly 8 to 10 kilometers. Now the thing, see, as I was talking about this previously also, as a time before, some minutes before that, these scammers, these fraud people are so smart, so such a what do you call, if I use a busy language, these are rascals. What they do, they will give you uh, they will give you what do you say, cream chocolates and all, and like offers, no, that you will melt yourself, you will get attracted towards it. See, now the situation is of how that everyone who is sitting at home without job, who is suffering with hard time, of course everyone is having a bad time, hard time now, but those who are in worst condition, what they will do, they will try to collect some money from their friends and relatives. I, even myself, I also did the same thing. They asked me to pay around 1990 rupees. Means if I say 2000, it's okay, but 2000 rupees. When I asked them that for what the money I have to pay, they told me that you will be getting a uniform, that is 2 shirts, 2 pants, 1 belt, and 1 eye card. I said okay, it's okay. So when will be my joining? When should I join? When should I join? So what she said, that see, we will be sending you a Google Pay number or a Phone Pay number. See what they will do, no, they will ask you only that you are, what kind of online transaction facilities you are using, whether you are using Google Pay or your Phone Pay. They will collect the information from you only, and then what they will do, they will say we will be sending you a person number who will be your trainer, eh? And that to your showroom trainer, where you are going to learn the things. Okay, so I was also given the information like I will be having sorry, I will be having a post of senior supervisor. I have to handle a team of 16 to 15 people. Okay, 15 to 16 people. Yeah. Then next what they said, that I will be handling the people, and at the same time, when I got the doubt, means they said you have to prepare their salaries there, you have to look at their attendance. Actually they studied my profile, but they made a mistake. That what mistake I will tell you, dear viewers. They told me that it is an back office job. It is an back office job, and I have to handle labors. Now just think, viewers, if I am sitting, see, if my profile, if I am sitting in a showroom, if I am having a back office at my showroom, it's a different thing. But they told me that you will be not given the position at, you will be not positioned at showroom, you will be at back office. Now the question raised in my mind was, if I am not sitting at showroom, if I am not at showroom, how will I handle the labor? I understood that it was very clear that it is a scam. These are online chores. I clearly understood that. So what I did, I took that person's number. You send me the number, I will transfer. I said I need some money. I need some time. See what is happening is I don't have so much money in my account, so I need some time. You give me a time of 1 hour. I will transfer it. You send me the number. So when I asked the number, they sent me a number. Okay. Of course, the person should be a local. See, I belong to Telangana. So nearby 10 kilometer means the person should be a local person. Okay. So what I did for confirmation, I called him. And I talked to him. I had an interaction with him, and then what trick I used, I asked him, see, I belong to Telangana means my mother tongue is Telugu. Okay. So I asked him, the person who was next on the other side on phone call, who was speaking to me, who was talking to me, I asked him to talk in Telugu. So there was the trap. Okay. He thought that he was trapping me, but actually I trapped him. When I asked him to talk in Telugu, what he said, no, I am not your trainer. Trainer will be a local person there in your showroom. Then I asked him, sir, I was given information that I will be working in back office. Then how I will come into the contact of labor? You explain me, I said. Okay. And the HR has given me information that you will be giving me the training. So what is happening actually? You tell me. You give me the clarity, I said. Okay. So what he started to talk like, he started to say, you want to join the company or not? He started now, the level he came to was like, he lost his control and he was directly started talking like, आपको काम करना है कि नहीं, you want to join the company or not? If you want to join the company, you pay the money online, you transfer the money, we will send you the date and joining period, and you will be giving the uniform. And then I said, okay sir, if you are telling, I am believing you, I will transfer it. But what I did, what was the next trick? My plan was, I did not transfer the money. What I did, again, after making a cross examination, I cross examined all the 3 persons. I spoke to 3 people who were claiming that they are working with Maruti Suzuki, like reputed company. They are using the name of that company and making fraud calls to people. After cross examination, again I got from the head HR. She's calling herself that she's an head HR. See, I have worked with an ISO limited company, ISO reputed company, so I know what is the recruitment procedure. So when she called me back, I asked her one thing only, madam, you have selected me on telephonic round. Sorry. So you are asking me to pay the money online. Is it okay? She said, okay, yes, you have to pay the money online. Online process, everything is online, she is telling. Okay. Then, madam, I am trying to transfer the money, but the transaction is getting failed, I said. Simply, I played a trick. Okay. What she said, that you are calling that person, this HR, that person, you are making inquiries. I am the HR here, and you are not following me. you will not be given the time, more time. So she was actually pressurizing me. See, these fraud people know what they try, no, at up to the last limit, what they can do, no, they will come down for that level. Okay. So madam, so I what I said her, madam, see, I have discussed with that person, my transactions are getting failed, and you do one thing, you send me that address. If you are not believing me, you send me that address. I will go to your executive, the person under whom I am going to get the training. I will meet that person, and in front of that person I will show him the transaction I have got failed. Then only, then if you will believe, no. Then what was the reaction to my viewers? You will be surprised. She was telling that this is completely online process. You cannot meet that person. You will be directly meeting him on joining. Then I asked her a simple question, madam, it's okay. I agree you. Okay. You are telling completely online process. Because of what? She is telling because of corona. Okay, it's okay, corona. Online. So I made a fun of her only. Whether if you are talking now, this is an complete online process, and you are asking me to sit in back office. I want a face-to-face interview. She is telling no, it's corona season and all. Madam, lockdowns are removed. We can keep a safe distance. I have worked with a reputed company. I know the rules, how a recruitment process goes. So stop doing this kind of fraud calls. Then she came to her level that we are not fooling, and she kept the phone. Simply she puts down the phone. And then I was simply receiving the messages that if you want to join the company, pay the money and join the company. See viewers, be careful of why today I am making this video. Is very important, very much important, because we work hard. Our family member, our mother, father, as I discussed previously, they work hard and they gather money, they collect money. Okay, these are all the sweat, the hard work from what we collect money. And these kind of fraud people ask us, they give us chocolates, they give us, what do you say, they will just stimulate you, they will attract you, and what happens? Once the money has gone from your account, they will never respond you. Either the SIM card will be blocked, either the SIM card will be, your number will be blocked, either they will throw the SIM card. What happens? Naya SIM card, new SIM card, 150 rupees, 400 rupees, 300 rupees, 200 rupees. Many companies are offering 2000 aa gaya, 2000 we have received. We can make a SIM card for, they will switch off the phone also. Okay, then what you are going to do? So the aim of making this video, my viewers, was only one thing, that be careful and be very much careful of this kind of online scammers. Today the earning routes are very less, so working professionals, even those who were in good job lines also, I am not blaming anyone. I will again clarify, I am not blaming anyone, but this kind of online scammers are live in market, and daily they are looting people. Okay, so my viewers, I have saved some amount. I want everyone should save their amount, and they should use their money for proper purpose was the aim only of this making video. The main aim was to save your money, to save your earnings, and to use that earning at a proper place for a proper work. That's all. Thank you viewers, thank you watching for my video. If you like my video, if you find my information important, then only you like it, subscribe it, and share the video with your friends. Thank you giving for your time. Thank you very much.